Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the past weeks, we have been going through the tutorial on how to complete the MetaverseHQ Saga Zero campaign. We we successfully completed week 3, week 4, week 5, and week 6. So in today's video, we are dealing with week 7. The Saga Zero campaign is an 8 weeks long program. So week 7 will be ending on Sunday, and week 8, which is the final week, will start on Monday next week. While we wait for that, it is very important that you know that the wallet connection and confirmation for airdrop, for the HQ airdrop, is live. So let's do that before we go to the week 7 task. Okay, so once you log in, sometimes if you log into your Metaverse HQ, you will see the notification and you can go ahead from there. If not, you see this is airdrop here at this topmost corner of the app. You click on airdrop, this opens up. Now remember, we've connected wallets earlier, so you just have to be sure that this is a wallet you connected, and then you confirm just to be sure. Let me go and get my. I just want to be sure of my wallet 80F89A exactly. So I'm on the right address. So this is my address here. So you confirm here and you click here to confirm. Now you have successfully confirmed your wallet for the airdrop. So let's head back to our campaign. So the normal routine, you like, you retweet, this submit your wallet for HQTGE. You've already submitted wallet. You can just click verify. It's done. So you go to reply tweet. Here there is a new task, so we also view this one on a new page. What reply are we going to give now? Um, Remember, I will always encourage you, let your reply be positive and relatable. Yeah, all right. I have successfully. Now you come back here to verify that reply. So we are left with this last mission. So let me head back here to complete it. So join their Discord and verify and become a verified member. Welcome to the HQ family. J G J. You submit. I've been verified. Now I can go and click verify membership here and also click verify reply here. Now I'll go get my MetaMask address. Paste here and send. I've registered, I've entered the raffle. I think the raffle is for 7 winners to get the Rui whitelist on abstract chain. Now I head back here and verify completion of real task. So with this, I have completed my week 7 objectives 5/5. You can see it here too. So week 8 will be unlocking soon. This is my current multiplier. Let me refresh this page for you to see. Um, See, my booster is 19x. My boosted credit is 406. So I'll see you in the next video. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Do well to turn on your notification so that you'll be constantly on the know with me. Thank you for watching this video.